In the Review Work section of SmartClass, you can access activities that you have assigned to your students. If your students are working in SmartClass while you are grading, hit the refresh button in the platform for those submissions to show up on your end. Click on the activity you would like to open to grade student submissions. The grading options will look the same in every activity regardless of template. Click on the arrows to navigate from one student to the next. There is also a drop-down menu option to find a specific student or to see which students have the activity completed. The grades given for the auto-graded activities are shown, however, you always have the option to edit that grade. To add or edit a grade, click on the student, type in the percentage, and, if you would like, add a comment in the notes section. The written feedback is auto-saved for you. You can also add verbal feedback. Use the record and pause button as needed, play your comment if you would like to listen to it before saving, or delete it if you want to start over. For verbal feedback, remember to hit save before closing or moving on to a different student. Lastly, if you would like to mandate that a student redoes the activity, click on the Assign Redo button. Note, at this time the redo immediately clears out the student's response and any grade or feedback you have given to allow students to attempt the activity again. In the web, there is another way to decide which activities to grade is by using the grade report. This report pulls together an overview of the assigned activities you have in open folders. Here you can easily see which students have the activities completed, the grades for all auto-graded activities, any grades you gave the students for non-auto-graded activities, and the average grade for each activity. Click on individual activities that you still need to grade or look at activities with low scores where you may choose to leave additional feedback.